ChatGPT is phenomenal. But don't limit yourself to just ChatGPT. Here are 7 new AI websites to hack your life and save time. Number 1 is TweetMonk. TweetMonk is like one-man army tool to grow your Twitter. You can use this AI tool to write hooks, threads and schedule tweets as well. Try this today. Second is Ocoya. Build audience with non-stop content powered by AI. Ocoya generate and post content fast, both manually and automatically. Try it now. Third is Beatoven. Want to create music? Beatoven uses advanced AI techniques to compose unique music for free. Try it now. Fifth is Flair AI, best AI design tool for branded content. Flair AI is a game-changer tool for if you want to grow your brand. Try it now. Sixth is Poised AI tool. This AI tool will help you to improve your public speaking skills. Best tool for digital workplaces to win your next presentation and interviews. Seventh is Assembly AI. Use this AI to convert audio and video files and live audio streams to text. This AI tool helps you to multiply your existing video/audio into text content for free. Try it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. �𝐼𝐻 Digital Media is a leading digital marketing agency that specializes in website designing and development, SEO services. Contact us for website-related queries.